Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. I would like to start by saying my apologies for not uploading. I am back and I pray that I am consistent. However, let us start ngotando nesithembu. So, Dumelang. Let us start with the elephant in the room. Also, my apologies, it's hectic. First and foremost, if you are related to Mseleku family and you know Khoro, you are going to be touched by us talking about a show that was brought on national TV where we are paying and watching. Please pass, guys. We cannot be telling you every day or Cinderella, like it's exhausting, honestly. But the elephant in the room. Remember, we were asking ourselves, what is happening between Mseleku and his sister? Because the sister should be the one. Rakgadi ya ngwana, taolaye ngwana. If you've never been married, you won't get it. Nonetheless, it has been discovered ukuthi usisi uyabane disagreement or something happened between yena no Musa Mseleku, right? And upon that something happening yena no Musa Mseleku, instead of them sitting down bayilungise waya kuphi kumakhosi makafika kumakhosi vele wathi there by the yard your brother is busy ka wena ka. Okay, and honestly it's very seldom, guys. I've never heard about it. It's very seldom. I have never heard about it where they would say a person went to a sangoma to consult and the sangoma said to that person, but no, you are here because of how you behave. You are here because of this and this and this. Look at the mirror, look at yourself. Mseleku was spot on that one. The sangoma will seldomly say, look at yourself. It will be something that you have to do to attract idlozi, to apologize idlozi, or oloyiwe. And olowe is somebody that is close to you. Every time. And a local kose omnyama, omdala, estradin same, winking. And at this point, my aunt is the oldest. Oh no, it's not the oldest. Kim Bewako next door. Kikukwako next door. But soon, it's my aunt. The lucky thing my aunt is not dark in color. Mara once oba muntunyan, wa itsi khorai, kwena ufankali feel. So sometimes when people consult, it's sad because we know a family will break from that situation. And it's sad when a brother and a sister or when siblings are the ones that are divided. At this point, I feel sorry for Mseleku because he needs family more than anything, because I think his sister would be the one that would hear him and feel for him more than his wives. Yes, his wives love him, but at this point, there's a battle that they are all fighting. We understand that would make them not be equally yoked, if for a lack of a better word. But we now know Usisi has ran because of by Musa Mseleku.